Okay, so construction update on the new offices. This is the main administrative area where we're gonna have a 4-pod cubicle in here for everybody that does parts ordering and invoicing and 3D design and such. And then over here is, this is kind of the glass wall. We've been building this for about a week and a half. So this is all gonna get glassed so that everybody that's in here can see the front door and everybody was able to, see a customer walk in the door. So this will be Sherry's office. She came up with this idea because she's on Pinterest or something. And anyway, so this was her idea. And I was like, no, we're not going to do this. This looks expensive. And our contractor goes, Jay, you're a fab shop. Let's just build some square walls. And so here we are. So they're going to put glass in here. There'll be a front door and a window over there eventually. And then we'll go see what they're doing upstairs. Okay, so we're upstairs. This is a balcony. Basically, we're gonna just use this as kind of an overflow lunchroom. The guys that don't want to eat in the break rooms, the AC changes. We're gonna have 2 picnic tables up here and a fan and kind of make this a, the balcony view for lunch. These just got installed today. These are our cabinets. They're gonna come back and stain them. I've stayed out of what color they're gonna be. I let that 100% be on Sherry. So I didn't pick the style or anything, so I have no idea what color they're going to be. But each cabinet shelf, we've got 4 different microwaves, and everything's powered differently because that's the problem we have right now is two microwaves on the same time trips a breaker, so it's hard to feed a bunch of people. So we set that up. We're going to have 2 refrigerators too because we've grown to need that. And then in this area where the windows are, we're going to build some countertop height, kind of like bar tables, and then have like a big lunchroom table. This office. This is kind of like, I guess, my office or like client meeting room. I've always just had like a small table in the break room. It started off with a small table out in the shop before I had a break room. So I've never had an office before, so this will be a unique experience with a bird's eye view looking out at the whole shop. So it should be pretty cool. Got a smile.